Now let us understand decomposition reaction. Now in the combination reaction, what we saw was that A and B, they combine together to give a single product AB. Now decomposition is just the opposite of combination. In decomposition, AB is breaking down to produce A and B. So what is the basic difference between combination and decomposition? In combination, there is one single product formed, and in decomposition, there is one single reactant which breaks down into simpler products. Let us take an example. H2O, that is water, breaks down to give H2 plus O2. In combination reaction, what we saw was H2 and O2 combined to give a single product H2O, and in decomposition, what we can see is that H2O is breaking down to produce H2 and O2, hydrogen and oxygen. As we can see that the equation is unbalanced. So let us balance it. There are 2 atoms of hydrogen on the left, 2 atoms of hydrogen on the right. 1 atom of oxygen on the left, 2 atoms of oxygen on the right. So let me make this oxygen as 2 by putting a 2 here. Now I have 2 atoms of oxygen on the left and 2 atoms of oxygen on the right. Now let us check for hydrogen once again. Hydrogen on the left will be 2 multiplied by 2, which is 4, while on the right hand side I have only 2 hydrogen atoms. So if I put a 2 here, I will be having 4 hydrogen atoms on the right hand side as well. So this is your complete balanced equation. 2H2O breaks down to produce 2H2 plus O2. However, this takes place by the action of electric current. In the presence of electric current, water breaks down to produce hydrogen and oxygen. Let us take another example of decomposition reaction. CaCO3, which is calcium carbonate, it breaks down by the action of heat to produce simpler products, calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Now what is common in both these examples? That there is one single reactant in both the cases, right? So let us see whether this equation is balanced or not. 1 calcium atom on the left, 1 calcium atom on the right. 1 on the left, 1 on the right. 1 carbon on the left, 1 carbon on the right. Oxygen, 3 oxygens on the left, and on the right I have 2 plus 1, 3 oxygens again. So this equation is already balanced. So what we saw was that decomposition reaction is just the opposite of combination reaction.